Hello everyone. Today, we'll take a look at one of Fusion's features, the scripts function. This function allows you to control some of Fusion's tools using Python scripts. In this video, we'll use this function to automate mesh scaling and STL file export. First, let's import the sample mesh attached to the Notion page. Next, go to the top menu and select Utilities, Scripts and Add-ins. Then, click the plus button at the top. Choose Create Script. Set the name freely, and check Python. Click Create. A new Python script file will be created in the script folder location. Open that file, and paste in the provided Python code. This script is designed to measure the height of the mesh. Run the script from the Scripts and Add-ins window. You'll see that it displays the mesh height. With this function, we can automate tasks like mesh scaling and STL file saving. Let's open the Scripts and Add-ins window again and create a new script. Set the name freely, and click Create. Paste in the second Python code provided. This one automatically checks if the mesh height exceeds 100 millimeters. If it does, it scales the mesh proportionally to make its height exactly 100 millimeters. And then exports it as an STL file. As you can see, a new STL file has been created. Next, let's check the height of this STL file. We'll run the height measuring script again. As shown, the height has now been adjusted to 100 millimeters. Through the scripts function in Fusion, we were able to automate multiple tasks efficiently. Now, I will explain the detailed code implementation. It imports the Fusion 360 API. This function finds a mesh by name. It searches through the current Fusion 360 model to find a mesh named mesh body 1 inch. This function calculates the actual height of the found mesh. If Fusion can automatically determine the height using a bounding box, it uses that value. This function is the main function that runs when you click the program's Run button. Here's the next part of the code. Set the body name and the height limit. This function determines whether the STL file is an ASCII or binary format. This function reads the binary STL structure directly multiplies the coordinates of the three vertices in each triangle by s. This function scales vertex coordinates by s in a binary STL file, and saves a new file. This function safely scales any STL file, regardless of its format. This function searches the current Fusion 360 design to find a body or mesh with a given name. This function calculates the height in mm, and is designed to measure height for any type of object, solid or mesh. This function uses Fusion 360's built-in STL export feature to export the model to an STL file. This function executes the entire procedure described above, and saves the resulting files on the computer. You can implement algorithms, or use external Python libraries through the script.